In this video, we'll make the rafters for the example pergola awning. This is the board that sticks out perpendicular to the wall and supports the framing on top. We'll start by squaring up the ends of the board, since these are often not square from the mill. For this example awning, we're using cedar boards, which should be readily available from your local home center. Other rot and pest-resistant wood species will work, such as redwood or cypress, or any pressure-treated lumber. Whatever the case, we recommend letting the board season for a few weeks to dry out and acclimate. Next, we'll mark out the length of the rafters on the ends of each board. Our plans come with a 1:1 scaled template for cutting the rafter ends. You can print these to standard letter size sheets of paper and cut them out with scissors. Place the template on the end of the board and use a pencil or marker to draw the shape. Using a jigsaw, cut the rafter tail on the end of the board. This awning design has angled notches, which is where the purlins rest. We're now marking out the location of these notches based on the dimensions given on the drawing. Use a jigsaw again to cut these notches out. And finally, cross-cut the rafter to length. You can use the board you just cut as a template for the other rafters. This next step is optional, but dressing up the cut edges of the rafter tails with an 1/8 inch round over bit and a router helps with the look. Be sure to round over only the rafter tail, not the other end of the board or the angled notches. To finish the rafters, mark out and drill the pilot holes in the ends where they will attach to the bases. The pilot holes should be the same diameter as the shank of the fastener. In other words, smaller than the thread diameter so that the threads of the fastener can bite into the wood. In the next video, we'll cut out the brace.